I was broke. Yeah, when you see me, I had nappy braids. Yeah, my stomach was hurting. It really was hurting. I really starved some nights, man. I mean, so if it could take me 13 years, why can't it take you 7? Get on your grind. Start now. Don't wait till you're 36. Start now when you're in your 20s or when you're in your teens and get the money.
That grind's heavy, isn't it? The alarm clock, the commute, the bills piling up. It's real for so many. Most are stuck in the rat race, slaving 40 years just to pay bills and make corporations richer. Depressing, right? But you can escape. Robert Kiyosaki says, "The rat race is a game rigged against you." These 5 traps keep you chained, but the steps we're about to reveal, forged by hustlers, will show you how to break free. Let's dive in and smash the grind. The first trap is no financial education. Most grow up blind to budgeting, saving, investing, or income streams. You're playing without rules and the system banks on it. Grant Cardone says, "Ignorance costs more than any debt." At 18, you're pushed to college, graduating with $28,950 in student debt, the average per reports, facing 20 years of payments tying you to a 9-to-5. Fix it. Learn now. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, 30% for wants, hobbies, dining, 20% for savings or debt. Track with YNAB or Mint. Invest $50 a month in a low-cost ETF. At 7%, that's $30,000 in 20 years. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad for a money mindset shift. Knowledge is your exit ticket.
Don't be casual in learning. Don't be lazy in learning. Information is the key. Learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of health. Learning is the beginning of prosperity. Learning is the beginning of democracy, the beginning of freedom. All values, all virtues start with the learning process. So don't be lazy in learning. Don't be lazy in gathering the library that will teach you and instruct you. Money doesn't make you sophisticated. Only study and practice makes you sophisticated. Only study and practice makes you cultured. And only study and practice makes you happy. Study and practice makes you rich.
The second trap is low income, high expenses. A $55,000 starting salary, $3,500 a month after taxes, gets devoured by housing, $1,500. Food and transportation, $1,000. And entertainment, $500. You're lucky to save $200 on debt. Raises, a 4.8% bump to $58,000 won't free you. Dan Pena says, your job keeps you caged. Employers pay the minimum to keep you. Slash expenses. Downsize to a cheaper apartment, save $300 a month. Cut streaming and dining, save $150 a month. Use public transit or a used car, save $100 a month. That's $550 a month, $6,600 a year. For debt or investments, use YNAB to track. Every dollar saved is a step out. Ready to break the rat race? Smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's master your money together. The third trap is societal pressure to spend. Social media hits you with friends on vacations, flaunting cars, or weddings. You splurge, $200 on a trip, $100 on clothes to keep up, draining savings. Cody Sanchez says, spending to impress traps you forever. It's hard to save while others flex, but discipline wins. Skip $200 monthly splurges. Redirect to a savings account. In 10 years, that's $24,000 for a side hustle like dropshipping or an online course. Unfollow flashy accounts. Follow Ramit Sethi for money wisdom. Choose freedom over status.
There's a lot of men who think what I think. They can't say it, they lose their jobs. So you want to say money doesn't buy happiness, well then you're saying you're happy to be a slave, because only money is going to give you freedom. When they want to try and attack you, like they've attacked me, they take your money away on purpose. So absolutely, money's freedom to have an opinion now. So it's true. So yeah, exactly. So money absolutely is happiness, because freedom is a bare minimum requisite to happiness. Unless you're happy being a slave.
The fourth trap is inflation and uncontrollable factors. Inflation spikes housing, food, gas. Your $3.50 coffee hits $4.20. Your 4.8% raise vanishes at 5% inflation. Ramit Sethi says, your job can't outrun costs. Surveys show 93% of Americans have side hustles to cope. Beat it. Start a side hustle, freelance writing on Upwork, graphic design on Fiverr, digital products on Gumroad. Earn $1,000 a month, $12,000 a year, and invest in stocks via Vanguard or real estate on Fundrise. $500 monthly at 7% grows to $300,000 in 30 years. Hustle to win. Want more ways to escape the rat race? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss a step to freedom. The fifth trap is time scarcity as you age. Young, you can hustle, gigs, overtime, but life, family, kids, long hours, steals time. Without a plan, you're stuck in the 9 to 5. Grant Cardone says, time is your only real asset. Take Ethan, a 26-year-old retail worker earning $35,000 a year. Trapped in the rat race, he feared decades of grind. He launched a podcast on fitness with a $200 mic and Udemy course. By 27, it earned $2,000 a month, $24,000 a year. Reinvesting in revenue, he hit $120,000 a year by 31, quitting his job. Ethan built passive income early. You can too. Start now. A blog on WordPress, digital product on Gumroad, rental via Airbnb. These 5 traps, no education, low income, social pressure, inflation, time scarcity, chain you to the rat race. Your escape plan, step 1, set your escape figure, need $40,000 a year to live. Multiply by 30, that's $1.2 million. Use NerdWallet's calculator to confirm. Step 2, slash expenses. Downsize housing, save $300 per month. Cut entertainment, save $100 per month. Use public transit, save $100 per month. That's $500 a month. Track with YNAB. Step 3, set a timeline. Aim for 15 years. For $1.2 million at 7% return, invest $4,000 a month. Your 9 to 5 won't cut it. Hustle. Step 4, buy assets. Use side hustle cash for passive income. Rentals via Fundrise, blogs on Medium, courses on Teachable. $1,000 a month could hit $500,000 in 20 years. Cody Sanchez says, assets, not jobs, buy freedom. These steps break the system's grip. These 5 traps keep you locked in the rat race, but this plan is your way out. Robert Kiyosaki says, the system thrives on your struggle. I'm in the grind just like you, pouring every spare dollar into side hustles, fighting for a life beyond the 9 to 5. It's tough, skipping luxuries, hustling late nights, staying focused, but that's the path. Learning, building, pushing forward. Freedom isn't free, but it's worth every ounce of effort. Control your expenses, grow your income streams, and start now to become the boss, not the system's pawn.
In order to be successful, you have to find out what makes you excited, what makes you want to get up each morning and go to work. If you love what you do and dedicate yourself to your work, you will gain that momentum. And each success will create another success. Never quit, never give up, do something you love. When you do something you love, you'll never fail. What you're going to do is give it a shot again and again and again. You're ultimately going to be successful.
Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.